Hello team, how are you? I'm Wendy, your kitchen chaos coordinator, and this week I am also your kitchen shortcut coordinator. This week I want to talk about being able to take shortcuts in the kitchen without feeling guilty about it. We don't get gold stars for suffering in the kitchen. We don't get bonus points for having a complicated dinner. So why not take those shortcuts when we can and still provide a good quality, delicious meal for our family without the guilt? Tonight's dinner is going to do just that. Tonight's dinner is a sheet pan roast pork, sweet chili roast pork with green beans. I'm also going to serve rice on the side so that we can maybe even make it into a bowl dish. Delish. So while you get your chair and your spoon, let me tell you what's going into this dinner. As you can see, there's like 3 ingredients here, and I didn't even put the rice here. So you definitely need 1 pork loin, easy to find. You definitely need green beans. You can use fresh, you can use frozen. Hey, I'm using frozen because they're already pre-cut, and I'm taking that shortcut. The other thing you need is some sweet chili sauce. Again, you could make this on your own, but why? It's in the store for a couple of dollars. That's it. Sesame seeds to put on the garnish, maybe some green onion for garnish. That's all we need tonight. So go grab your stuff and I'll come back and we'll get this all going. Perfect. Yay, you're back. Okay, now that you have your spoon and your chair, let's get this sheet pan sweet chili pork and green beans ready to go. So easy. While you were gone, I went ahead and got our 1/2 cup of sweet chili sauce ready. Just 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I opened up our green bean packet and I took that pork loin and I chopped it into 1 by 1 inch squares. So that's all we're gonna do. You're not gonna believe how easy this is. I love sheet pans. Sheet pan dinner for the win. Add some rice and you can make sweet bowls. This is amazing. Okay, let me adjust the camera so you can see the sheet pan I've got down here. There we go. I'll pull it down just a little bit. There we go. Nobody needs to see my face anyway. Nobody needs to see my face. All right, so we have our pork. We're just gonna put the olive oil around it. Again, that's 1 tablespoon and then 1/2 cup of the sweet chili. Throw that in there. One very similar to this is in the link in my bio and in the description. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, always the recipes are in the description. So you don't have to get pen paper. You don't have to do anything but sit back, relax, follow along, and then you can go get that out of the description when you go to cook it. All right, we just want to toss our pork with the olive oil and the sweet chili sauce. Couldn't get any easier than this. So simple. And then we're gonna dump it onto our pan. So let's get this stirring this together. And now we are going to dump this right onto the sheet pan. I have it lined with foil. You can line it with parchment if you'd like. Ta-da! Then we're just going to take the green beans, put them right into this bowl again, just so that they can pick up the extra sauce that's left over. Man down! Now I'm just going to dump these green beans on either side of the pork. Easy peas. I don't think it gets much easier than that. We have the oven set at 425 degrees. We're gonna roast these anywhere between 20 minutes and 30 minutes. Again, it's gonna depend on your pork, how well it cooks, how quickly it comes up. So we will start, we'll check it and we'll find out how much time it really takes, but we'll start with 20 minutes, might take 30. We're good. Let's throw this in our 425 degree oven and we'll be back. While that's cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and get the rice going because the rice takes about 20 minutes. So I'm even going in the rice cooker. Another shortcut. So we're gonna get rice going, that's going, and we'll stir it. We should stir it about halfway through. So let's see, what do we say, 20 to 30 minutes? So I will stir it about 15 and we'll see what we get. All right? Okay, setting a timer for 15. All right, see you in a minute. I hope you're enjoying Shortcuts Week. I have enjoyed coming up with different shortcuts, and one of the ways I just thought of as I was prepping this, my green onions. We're gonna have green onions on the side with this guy, just a little garnish along with sesame seeds, and I realized that I had a shortcut. Instead of cutting them up, we've always just used our kitchen shears. So I have our little green onions here. I'm gonna cut off the part that's not so fun. Then you just use your kitchen shears and just cut them right into your bowl. So simple, so many shortcuts. What's your favorite shortcut in the kitchen? We are 20 minutes into the cooking. So I just want to take it out, give it a quick stir, and then we'll put it back in. Oh my goodness, the smell. Delicious. Holy mo's. And I thought we only liked the sweet chili sauce on tacos. Tacos. Tacos? No, sweet chili sauce is good on lots of things. All right, so let's just give everybody a stir. That way everything will cook evenly here. Whoops, get out of there, green bean. Perfect. All right, we're gonna throw this back in for another 20 minutes. Did I tell you guys we have 260 friends at the table? 6 months, 5.5 months since the channel started, and we have 260 friends. We have 2 weeks left of February. Do you think we could get to 300? If you haven't subscribed yet, would you consider subscribing just to make one of my little dreams come true? All right, let's put this back in the oven for another 20 and then we'll be ready to eat. Oh my goodness. We need smell-o-vision. This is so good. I cannot wait to get to the table and share this with you. The rice is done. We've got our green onions. I do have some sesame seeds here that we can also sprinkle over the top. And then we will meet you at the table. See you in a second. Thank you so much for joining us in the kitchen tonight as we made this wonderful sweet Thai chili pork with green beans. It smells so good. We need smell-o-vision. Oh my goodness. You know what? Before I tuck into this, I do want to say thank you. Thank you so much for everything you do for this channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. And thank you for being a part of this family. Appreciate it so much. If you want to, share it with someone else. Maybe someone else would like to join. We'll stay tuned for a Zen moment, and I'm gonna tuck into dinner, right, honey? You got it. All right, we'll see you later, folks. Have a great night.